the first thing I need in my Arduino Modbus experiments is a rig, which I did put together yesterday. This is what was floor tiling. You can see it interlocks here. I drilled some holes, screwed it down together, and already attached some of the holders for the DIN rails. But I'm not too happy with it. It's really good, but it's kind of too far from the wall, I think. So I'm now that's why I'm 3D printing this bigger base, which you really can't see, so it kind of stays flush like these, but it's a bit taller and wider and fits the holes I already made here. So that's the plan, and yeah, I will go with color coded. Red will be for like power place to power everything else, and I don't know, yellow will go everything else, whatever. The plan is to have like a one room here for the Modbus, another one, and a third one, maybe a fourth one if I ever expand. So I want to play with some I don't know, 2 masters, and maybe that one master will have 2 slaves on the Modbus and the other one will have 3 slaves on one network. So that's what I want to play with. I got everything required, really. I got lots of kit. Even something came in the mail today, so that's quite cool. And I got some old projects also waiting to maybe be resurrected. I don't know. But yeah, I got the rig. I obviously will have to hang it somehow up the ceiling. Don't know. We'll figure that out, and then I'll start actually doing some coding and using the Arduino the way it should be used, aka DIY automation stuff, right, for the home. So yeah, that's it, and can't wait for this to finish. We'll see what will happen next. Thanks for watching.